In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT without a phone number, step by step, in the easiest way possible. This is great if you want to get started quickly and sign up using a Google, Microsoft, or Apple account instead of entering a phone number. Whether you're trying ChatGPT for school, work, content creation, or just everyday questions, this method helps you start using it fast. If this video helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tutorials like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, open your browser and go to ChatGPT. Once the page loads, look for the sign up button. Click that to begin the registration process. Now, instead of typing in a phone number, you'll want to choose one of the supported account options. You can continue with Google, Microsoft, or Apple, depending on which account you already use and trust. If you use Google the most, that's usually the quickest option because it lets you sign in with just a few clicks. After selecting your preferred method, follow the on-screen prompts to connect your account. You may be asked to confirm your email and approve the login, but you should not need to enter a phone number during this step. Once your account is connected, ChatGPT will take you into the main dashboard. From here, you're ready to start using it right away. You can click into the chat box and ask anything you want. For example, you might type, "Explain AI in simple terms," then press enter, and ChatGPT will generate a response for you. You can ask follow-up questions, request summaries, rewrite text, brainstorm ideas, or get help with almost anything. The best part is that once you're signed in, you can keep using ChatGPT without repeating the sign-up process. If you ever get stuck, just make sure you're using the official ChatGPT website and selecting one of the supported sign-in methods instead of trying to force a phone verification step. That's the whole process. In just a few minutes, you can use ChatGPT without a phone number and start chatting right away. If this tutorial helped you out, please remember to like the video and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.